I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Access. Let's dive into understanding their core strengths. Excel is your go-to for quick calculations, creating charts and managing simple lists. It's fantastic for financial modeling and data visualization. Access, on the other hand, is a powerful database management system, perfect for handling large amounts of structured data and complex relationships. It's designed for data integrity and robust querying. When it comes to data management, Excel treats your data like a giant spreadsheet, organized in rows and columns. It's straightforward for flat data. Access, however, uses a relational model, meaning data is stored in separate tables linked by relationships. This structure prevents data duplication and ensures consistency. For instance, Access can easily manage millions of records, while Excel might struggle with files exceeding 100,000 rows. Excel shines with its extensive formula library, pivot tables for data summarization, and advanced charting capabilities. It's a favorite for analytical tasks. Access provides sophisticated querying, allowing you to extract specific information from your database, along with custom forms for data entry and professional reports. For teams, Access offers better multi-user support, ensuring data integrity, even when multiple people are accessing the same information simultaneously. So when should you use each? Opt for Excel if you need to perform quick calculations, create simple budgets, or manage small, non-relational datasets. If your project involves large volumes of interconnected data, requires strict data validation, or needs multi-user access, Access is the superior choice. Remember, the best tool depends on your specific data needs and project complexity. Also, life's too short for cheap socks, so check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.